this.
I am here at Cheyenne Mountain State Park. We are going for a hike. Here. Sabi ng ranger na pag may ahas daw, malalaman daw namin kasi magsasabi daw yun ng ahas na andito ako, kaya malalaman daw kung may ahas. Hike, exercise tayo tuwing umaga, yan. Mag-video para kung may ahas, makita nyo ang ahas.
Sa kusungkod ba?
Maganda mag-bonding with nature. Hiking, exercise na, bonding with nature pa. Doon nagsisimula. This is really a good hiking trail here in Cheyenne Mountain State Park. See, it's not scary at all. You can see on that side, that's the highway over there. So it's not in the middle of nowhere, just near the highway, near the sea. So if there's a bear or a lion, you can see from miles away because there's not a lot of trees here. It's open area. Check view dan ha.
Ako saning i-post sa Facebook. Yung murag nindot yun na tanawon.
Yung mag-picture taking sa may damuhan. Nakakatakot kasi baka may ahas. first time. Kaya hindi ako mahiyang aminin na nawala. At hindi na alam kung paano bumalik. Thank God nakabalik sa parking area. So that's the visitor center. And that's the parking area. And that's the hiking trail.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates for a new video.